Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ashangali Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so stylish and latest collection of bob haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye, attractive and stylish hairstyling. And many much more latest trendy stylish ideas of bob haircut in short hair for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut in bob. Some ideas: layered, deep layered. Some ideas: step, undercut. Very beautiful and latest collection of type of cut: choppy haircut, notching haircut, crop haircut, and so beautiful ideas of hair dye: blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, and so beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in ash color, blonde, burgundy, ash color with dark base color, and some ideas in funky color with light base color, and so beautiful attractive collection of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling. Some ideas wave and curl naturally. Some ideas make curl with curler, with roller. And very beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut. Messy hairstyle. The trend of 2023 of short hair, messy hairstyle, and many much more ideas of messy, spiky, curly, wavy, fine hairstyle in bob in short hair you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please support me support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help. So I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye bye.